prayer.
Dear Lord, thank you for gathering our family together this Christmas.
This is one of the highlights of our program. To open our tonight's activity, let us welcome Zane Alano Vibrador for his opening remarks. A round of applause, please.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so happy to be here with my amazing family.
Such a job well done from a 6 years old. A round of applause for Alana.
Santa baby, just leave the stable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight.
I love my manita, yes I do. I love my manita, yes I do. I love my manita, but I won't tell you.
To ate.
So, Lolo, tanaw ka, Lolo.